Radio 124, contact condition 4134, decimal 430. P4430, Radio 124, heading the back. Right here, via Papa, Kilo Juliet, and Kilo 1. Number 403, that's right here, the Charlie 2 by Papa, Kilo Juliet, and Juliet 1. Papa, Kilo Juliet, and Juliet 1. You walk by Tango X-ray, 1 by Tango X-ray, Roger 7 and right control. So we set against ground by Alpha and Delta, that's Delta Delta 2. And find out the holding point down to the Alpha 45 Alpha again. And all ready. Victor, Descendro G3005. 3,550, that's 44 Victor. Be the 9270. Hello, speed 9270, holding hotel 1, ready for departure. Be the 9270, hello, you will be on the other one, so got you just goes on the 1, then I'll do store choice to hold at hotel 1 more way. We'll set up hotel 1, so we'll hold that, that's okay with you, and confirm number 6. Done. Yeah, hold that, hold that. Good thing out, thanks, so 1 to 9270. Right, that's 4